Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is July 23rd and this is Henry looking at the FTSE chart as the chart of the day. 60 minutes time frame here. We're looking for the index continues to make a new high here from the March low, right? And currently within the last leg with 5 and we got with 2 here, with 3, with 4, and within with 5 we are now in the with 3 or 5, so we should be getting a bit more upside extension, at the least one more leg if not two more legs, to finish 5 in black minute degree. Then after that we could be finishing the cycle starting from March. So if we take a look zooming out on the 4-hour, this is the March low. Basically this is the low in all the world indices. From here you can see the 5 swing that we saw earlier in the 1 hour. So this is with 2 here, this is 3, this is 4, and we're looking for the 5 to finish. Already breaking above the 3 now, so confirm the 5 is in play and the 1 will be right here. Now again, you would some people will say, well, there is a overlap between 1 and 4. It's okay, overlap is perfectly fine, guys. Overlap is so common, it's called diagonal, right? So once you finish the 5 waves, then we should be ending with 1 in a higher degree, okay, with 1 in a higher degree, and then it could potentially finish the cycle from March and then see a bigger pullback in 3 waves to correct this entire rally. Now the 5 swing, it kind of favors the bulls, right? Because 5 swing favors the upside. So all in all, still firmly bullish, right? The market is still firmly bullish, and pullback therefore should continue to find more upside. Now, is it a good idea to chase the short term? Probably not as much, right? But is it guaranteed we get a pullback? Can I fade it? And the answer is absolutely not, right? So again, this is the previous all-time high. We can actually break above this peak first before we topped out. So don't try to even pick the high and chase the downside, or trying to fade the 5 waves. The other option here, guys, if you look at the RSI, right? The other option is not only that this is 5 waves, that this could be a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then it's a 3 of 3. Then if it is a 3 of 3, you can continue to go higher without any significant pullback, right? So this will be only a wave 3 then, if that's the case, right? This will be a wave 3. So then it can continue to extend higher without any pullback. So the way we are calling it right now is actually a conservative way, right? It is a conservative count, calling for a correction first after the 5 waves to correct this entire 5 waves. But don't try to fade it, and continue to be on the currently continue to be on the bullish side because of the 5 swing from the March. So that's the update for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. New members can take advantage of the 14-day trial using the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.